Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. So here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, traction control, power passenger seat, power sunroof, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, chrome mirror caps, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.